My name is Val, this is Uptown Swing, Improvisation month. So in our soul jazz dancing, we explored this idea of taking a familiar move and then playing around with the direction the move goes and the timing of the move. What I mean by that, if we take this move and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this is its classic 4, 6, 7, what? We took it around. Or moved it around a little bit more. That will change its direction. When it comes to timing, we could do something like go a little bit faster, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or much slower, where each step takes 4 counts, for example. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You probably noticed that you will not be dancing like half a song with those super slow steps. This is something that you would kind of like mix around and then match the music. So you would go with something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, yeah, so something like that. So then we just took that idea and we explored it with other moves like Alleluias, how you can take them around, go a little bit faster, or go so much slower. And we kind of noticed that sometimes slower is also really hard, and we want to really like milk that move, really continue moving through that that whole movement, which requires some balance, and sometimes it requires some bounce, which also helps you to stay on beat. Anyways, we explored a lot of different moves, so you go practice at home. It's a really fun way to improvise. Bye.